Did you know that over half of the world's websites are powered by Unix or Linux-based systems? Quite shocking, isn't it? Now let's delve into the fascinating world of these two powerful operating systems. Think of Unix and Linux as two different kinds of engines powering our digital world. Much like the engine in your car, they remain hidden under the hood, silently powering your journey through the digital landscape. Unix, the elder of the two, was born out of the inventive minds at Bell Labs back in the 1960s. Imagine Unix as a classic car, elegant and robust, designed to be a workhorse and to keep running no matter what. It's been the backbone of many large corporations, universities, and even the internet itself. On the other hand, Linux, a brainchild of Linus Torvalds, emerged in the early 90s. Picture Linux as a customizable sports car. You can tweak it, tune it, and even build it from scratch if you so desire. It's free, open source, and is the heart of countless servers, desktops, and smartphones worldwide. But don't let their age difference fool you. Both Unix and Linux are remarkable in their own right. They continue to power devices and systems around the globe, forming the bedrock of our digital infrastructure. The comparison between Unix and Linux doesn't stop at engines, though. Picture Unix as the original recipe, and Linux as a gourmet adaptation. Linux took the best of Unix, added more features, and made it accessible to everyone. It's like taking grandma's secret cookie recipe, adding some fancy new ingredients, and sharing it with the world for free. While Unix and Linux may seem complex and intimidating, understanding them is like learning a new language. It may seem difficult at first, but once you grasp the basics, you'll find a whole new world of possibilities opening up. So why not take that leap? Start your journey into the fascinating world of Unix and Linux today. There's a wealth of knowledge out there waiting for you to discover, and the rewards can be immense. Whether you're aiming to boost your career, solve complex problems, or simply satisfy your curiosity, delving into Unix and Linux can be an incredibly enriching experience. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. So, gear up, ignite your curiosity, and drive into the thrilling world of Unix and Linux. It's time to take control of your digital journey.